Deep pit. Let's draw a ladybug. First, draw its head and antennae. Now draw its body. And spots. Black dots on its back. How delightful! Now draw its legs from one side. And now from the other. What a cute ladybug! Look how quickly your ladybug runs!